Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I have a new sticker book that is available now to purchase from Amber Plans Her Day. This is called Color Collections, and if you've gotten into junk journaling and memory keeping and like kind of doing a little mishmash of those, I've actually been doing that with memory keeping and junk journaling, then you're gonna love this book. Or even just for your planner. There's a lot of really cute stickers in here and I'm excited to flip through this. Like I said, it's available now to purchase. It is $22 plus shipping, and I have an affiliate link and discount code down in the description if you'd like to use it. But we're gonna flip through this really cute book, and it is color coded, which I love too. Yeah, I feel like I got into this kind of like junk journaling and phase of my life the perfect time, because now everybody's coming out with these kind of books and I love seeing everybody's interpretation of these type of stickers in sticker book form. So let's get into it. These are all paper stickers, I believe. Yeah, so first we're gonna have the red section here, and you get tons of different things. I love how random everything is too, so you really have a good variety of stuff. We have some little washi stickers here. And then I love the little gummy bear. He's super adorable. You have some strawberries, the Converse, a telephone, a lobster, lots of cute stuff. Little wax seals, the ladybug, how cute. So yeah, these would be perfect if you're doing, obviously if you're doing color coding, but if you just need specific colors, the fact that it's already broken down into those sections, really easy to find what you need in these books. All right, so here's the red version. Oh, and also one thing that I like, I think I mentioned this in books, that I like when companies do this, and Amber definitely does this little thing that I like in books, is there is a duplicate sheet, but the duplicate sheet is the reverse of how it is on this sheet. So even though they're the same, you have the opposite, basically is what I'm trying to say. Which on some things you don't really notice as much, but like say for instance the Converse shoes, it's the opposite way, because sometimes I like to have things pointed a certain way when I want to use it in a spread, and I like having that option. So I like that Amber takes that little detail, or make sure to include that when she makes a duplicate sheet. So yeah, you have opposite. Not on all the things, like this one obviously you can't do the opposite of that one since it's already that way, but like the flower, you have the opposite version of it. And yeah, you can kind of go through all the things. Okay, so you get a duplicate sheet. So then next we have, oh, and then also varying sizes. So here we have nice small ones, which is good. But if you want something a little bit larger, if you need something a little bit larger, you have options here. Now, obviously, it's not going to be all the same stickers. Are they some? Yeah, they're not all of them, but there's a good amount of them. Like the gummy bear is there, cute. You have the shoes, some hearts, buttons. So she did take some of these and make them a little bit bigger, so you have more options for sizing also. All right, so again, I love those little details. That's super, super helpful. All right, so you get two of those. Again, you get the opposite versions. Okay, now we're going to orange. Let's see all these things here. We have more of the gummy bears. Oh, look at this little, is that like a jelly cat? Looks like a jelly cat. And then you have the macarons, bows, little goldfish. I like the stamps, paper clip, more wax seals, teddy bear. Okay, so that's the orange section. And then you get bigger versions. How cute. The apple with like caramel, is that caramel? Present. Again, the jelly cat looking stuffy. It's cute. Teddy bear. Adorable. Okay, so that's the orange section. Yellow. A rubber ducky. That's okay. I like that she's including the gummy bears in each of these because I like the gummy bears a lot. All right, we have more of the stamps. Pizza, hat. It's a really cool key, a little chess piece there. Okay, so there's that page. Okay, then the bigger section here. I'm sorry, I keep hitting my camera. Butterfly, the happy face. The rubber duck, yeah, that one's super. Oh, actually this big one too. A couple versions of rubber duckies. Green section, this is my favorite color. Okay. We got an alien. No gummy bear on here. Okay. But a cute little cactus. That's cute. Candles, an envelope, this frog with the flower. Like, again, so super random stuff. But the frog with the flower, that's funny. Monstera leaf, of course. Love that. Okay. Oh, look at this. I didn't even notice this guy. This dinosaur looking stuffed animal. How cute is he? All right. Then we got bigger versions. Like, look how adorable they are. And actually, even though I've been seeing a lot of books like this recently, I haven't seen like these kind of guys in the sticker books. Ooh, I like that camera. That's really pretty. And I love the shade of green, like these nice soft greens, sagey kind of greens, avocado. All right, now we're into blue. We have a dolphin, a blue teddy bear. Ooh, look at that little CD with like the cloud scene. That's pretty. A balloon dog. Bows, bubbles, the dice. Ooh, the typewriter. That's cute. Okay, so there's that duplicate sheet. Bigger version. It's funny because like there's so much stuff on these pages right here, so I'm not noticing everything. But when I see all the bigger versions, I'm like, oh, look at this one. I didn't notice that on the bigger one. We have sunglasses, little tickets, wish tickets. It's a pretty blue color. Okay, that's blue. Now we're into purple. We got gummy bear on this one. Okay, we have some flowers, this band-aid, a skateboard, lava lamp. Ooh, a pretty purse, butterfly. And then the bigger versions, very like pretty jewel toned purple colors. The water bottle, teapot, all the crystal stuff. Okay, now we're going to pink. Pink, I love pink. Again, those cute little stuffed animals, I love those. The piggy bank, the flamingo, the milk carton, a cake pop, a shake, a cassette tape. We got a gummy bear there. Cute. That bunny is so cute. All right, here's a bigger version. Again, those little stuffed animals. All right, we got the milk, the camera, little alarm clock. It's pretty stuff. Black. All right, we got penguin. Ooh, a black cat. Some cherries. Game controller. Butterfly. A black strawberry. Very nice. Really cool stickers. Okay, so this one, you don't get the tiny versions, because on the other ones we got like the smaller size ones like this. On the black, you only get the larger size stickers, which is good too. Okay, so that is a fun new sticker book. I really, really like this book. So I have in my stash right now, I've been separating all of my, like these kind of books for journaling. And for me, I like to use them in my memory keeping kind of spreads, just to fill in different spots. And I love that it's color coded, because that sometimes you're just looking for a specific color to fit the theme of whatever you're decorating. And I like that it's color coded, so you just go to the color section and grab something that could fit. And I like that there's varying sizes in here. Again, the different versions of the same sticker in here, which is good too. So yeah, I feel like Amber does a really good job about including things that I like to, like those little details that I like to have in a sticker book in her books. So I really love this book. But yeah, I have a little section of just these kind of books set up in my office so I can grab them. So this is gonna go into that little bin of junk journaling kind of sticker books for memory keeping, junk journaling, that kind of vibe. But yeah, really good sticker book. Again, if you're interested in purchasing, it's available now to purchase. $22 plus shipping. Discount code and affiliate link are down in the description. Make sure you use a discount code from somebody if you're interested in buying. But yeah, that is a great book. Let me know what you think. I'm trying to think what's my favorite. Oh, well, green. I really like the green section. I actually really like the alien too, which I normally wouldn't, but I like this little guy, and the frog with the flower is hilarious. But yeah, it's really cute. All right, so that's the book. I can't wait to start using that. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.